Hey, how's it going? Thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I have a little project to do. So you see this tent and a little hill behind me, and I need to create a wireless mesh network between here to there. So I have another access point already in place on the top of that roof. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. So I'm hopefully, that I can get a signal from there until here, and we broadcast to the one right behind this, and from that to shoot the signal all the way up to the hill. Okay, now I need to measure the height of this tent, then I can create a cable. Alright, so the height from the bottom to the top is around 6 meters. So I'm just gonna create a long cable and then put a access point on top of that sign, and then it will be enough to get the signal from my roof, from the other access point from the roof. So I'm back to the office. So this I'm gonna use access point. It's called, it's from TP-Link Armada Wi-Fi 6AX1800. It's a really good access point for outdoor access point. So I'm gonna open it to see. You can do the mesh network automatically with the AC200 unit, or you can actually download the controller software installed on a computer in the same network, but I like to use the AC200, and that way I don't have to occupy one computer to do it. So I'm gonna open it. Unboxing. So I don't think I need a manual, so it's pretty simple. Like this, an access point like this. It's a PoE injector. This is very important to have a PoE injector because you need power to broadcast signal, right? And it has a little thing here for outdoor use. It's pretty nice to put this, to have a cable and put it on and make sure that you don't get water or condensation get into your AP. So I like this this mount at the back is really nice. Alright, so you can screw this on the wall, and then you can just slide the whole AP into the bag, and that's it. When you want to take it out for maintenance, you just need to press this and slide back out. It's pretty nice. So I'm just gonna assemble it for you, and then you can see the best way to assemble this thing. So first, cable, and put this little ring in first, and then put this right here. And put this through, and put this little thing through here, and that way you can turn and then screw it. Okay, this side the same thing, but I'm not going to screw it first because I need extra cable here. And then put this into here. Okay, and put the AP here. Plug it in. Oh, don't forget your O-ring. It's important to put the O-ring around, and that way you won't get condensation go through the opening. So you just need to plug it in. Okay, good. Okay. Hear the click noise, and then you just need to push it all in and screw it. That's it. Pretty simple. Alright, so after you screw this thing in, and the other side, you plug into the PoE. Very good. So put this thing on the top of on the roof, facing your main PoE. That way you can do the mesh. And this side you plug into the to the power. I will put some tape over here to make sure that no condensation go in. Make sure this part is indoor, and that way you don't get wet. And this part you can put it outside. Not a problem. Snow, rain, sunny, it will be fine. So I'm just gonna go out and put it up, and I'm gonna set up on my phone. Alright, so I'm plugged it in. So I'm right here, so you can see the green light is turned on. There's the green light right here. Yeah, you can see the green light here. Okay, let's go back to my phone, open up all my other apps. As you can see, I have 4 controllers already configured in my app. So you just need to choose the right one. If you don't know how to create your site, please talk to your IT guy or read through the menu. So I tap Delta Office site and go in, and then I can check the devices. Now you see one new AP is pending. Let's tap Adopt. Now the controller is adopting the new AP into the wireless network. Whole adopting process, it might take a minute to few minutes. So be patient. After adopting, it is the provisioning process. In this process, our controller is going to send out the configuration to the new AP. After that, it is connected. You can tap the device to go into the property to make sure it is actually connected. Right now it's saying adapting, but very soon it's going to change to connected. Double check the IP address, make sure that it is on the same subnet. So it's perfect. Got like 45 megabit per second. Don't expect will be like 100 because it is a mesh network. So whatever you get from there to here, like for instance, if you got 200 megabit per second, in a mesh it will be 50%, because it has to use the bandwidth to do both way uplink and downlink. That's why it's always half of the actual speed. But this is like almost like like 1 kilometer away from my access point. So it's actually pretty good. Price over this guy is like 130 bucks, so it's not too bad for business use. For home use, outdoor, if you have a big yard, maybe it's worth it. But this is not a bridge, okay? Just once again, this is not a bridge. If you want to do a bridge network, this is not the access point you should use. You should use the other one for bridging. Like what is bridge? Means you have one office over there and the other office here. So, but you cannot actually. It's too expensive to have a conduit between 2 buildings to make a fiber connection. So this is using a bridging will be one of the way to do it. But this access point is not for bridging; it's for mesh networking. All right, if you have any question, leave it in the comment, and I can answer you as much as I can. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe my channel. Thanks. See you later.